All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm playing in my sister's head again. This is some nice thick 4C hair. For all of you guys that really don't know what 4C hair is, this is it. This is what you find on my channel. So I'm going in to straighten her hair today, just spraying some of the Silk Elements heat protectant spray all over her head. This stuff does not weigh your hair down, so it is super great for blowouts. And I'm just taking it section by section and combing out her hair, detangling it in preparation for the blow dry. So if you get really close, you'll see she did not wash out her hair very well, and I got on her about that because she should be washing her hair in sections, at least 2 sections if not 3, to really make sure you get all the product out and make sure you know your scalp is just clean, because that is the most important thing on your head, is your scalp. If you don't have a healthy scalp, then the rest of your hair may end up being trash. Sorry to put it that way. So I'm just going in with the blow dryer. I'm not the best blow dryer, you guys. I'm working on my blow dry technique, but it's really hard when you only have one head, which is mine, to work on. And right here, I'm just adding in the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I'll put everything that I use, the tools, the product, down in it'll be actually in my Amazon store, so that you guys will know exactly what I used on her head. So I'm just doing a combination of like the tension method I used on some areas I just went straight on in with the blow dryer. And if you look closely, you may not even have to look closely, but just look at the ends of her hair. They are they just need to be cut. You see lots of tangles, lots of single strand knots, lots of split ends. They were pretty bad. I'm sorry, Maya. They were just, you know, your ends was bad, girl. That's why we cut off everything. So yeah, and I was just like, sis, you ain't taking this into 2020. So we just went on ahead and got rid of them. But first, just gonna go ahead and just keep straightening her hair, and I'm just giving you guys a side view. She didn't really want to be on camera because we were just chilling in the house, so you won't really see her face. Actually, you're not going to see her face at all in this video. So yeah, so I'm just going in with the hot comb, which, you guys, I don't want to hear anybody talking about how I use the hot comb. I use it how I use it. Y'all try using a hot comb on your sister's head or somebody else's. It's a little, it's a little nerve-wracking, because I typically only use it on my wigs, which, you can go in or do whatever you need to do with wigs, but this is a whole head right there. This is a human head. So I did my best, and I actually love using the hot comb first on her hair, because you'll see in just a little bit exactly how it turned out. It's just it turned out so soft and so like silky and so light, and still had some movement. Even though her ends really needed to be trimmed, you can really tell like the difference with using the hot comb. So if you don't have one of these electric hot combs, I'll put the one that I use down in my Amazon store, so that you'll have the link to it. I love this one. It gets really nice, and it gets nice and hot, but I'm also not burning her hair. Now, I will say, I should have, with this section mainly, I think I was just getting tired because I didn't realize how much work this was going to be today. I should have done this in smaller sections, so I wouldn't have done so many passes through her hair. But she did we actually ended up cutting her hair 2 more times after this. So you'll see at the end just how short we went for her cut. I think she can put it in a ponytail. I'm not 100% sure, because we cut off about 4 inches of hair. So she did end up washing her hair a few days later after this, and no heat damage at all. So yeah, so as long as you've got, and with this hot comb, you see the steam or the smoke coming off, but it's really the product as well. It doesn't really get that hot where it's gonna like kill you, you know what I mean? So yeah. So December 2018, my sister went to the salon and had her hair done, trimmed, all that good stuff. So she had it professionally done. Look at that shine, you guys. Yeah, it's all nice and straight, and that is just from the hot comb. Okay, back to what I'm telling you. So she had it all nice and cut, super healthy, but 2019 she didn't really keep up with it. She said she only probably trimmed her hair maybe one good time, maybe twice. So I'm just gonna go with once, because if you're thinking about the maybe twice, then I'm just gonna go with once, which is not great. And I think that was her main problem of I know that was her main problem of not seeing her, not seeing the length, stay, not retaining her length, which is something that she had been complaining about. But I was just like, well, Maya, now you really losing hair, because we have to cut off 4 inches, all because you just couldn't keep up with your trims in a year. So that's how important it is to keep up with your trims, you guys. I trim my hair regularly. I really do. I don't really miss a trim. Some people can do it more than others, but I think going once in a whole year is probably not enough, especially the kinkier your hair is, the more single strand knots you'll get. As you can see right there, the comb couldn't even go through it. So yeah, by the way, this flat iron that I'm using, I'll put it in my Amazon store as well, just running over her hair to straighten the rest of her hair out and to prepare it for the cut. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick backstory on why we cut so much. It was definitely needed, definitely necessary. She was fine with it. My sister's a very easy, just go with the flow kind of girl. So it wasn't that big of a deal to her, and it's going to come back so much healthier. And because it's already thick, we both have a nice thick head of hair. And I'm not a professional when it comes to cutting, so you guys won't see that. I'm just going to show you the end result in the picture, because I didn't know we were going to cut so much of it at different times, and I just wasn't prepared to film. So I apologize for that one. So you'll just see the first cut here right now on this video. But yeah, it was so much thicker, healthier, and I'm so excited to see where her hair goes, like how long it gets this year. And I will be sure to keep you guys updated as well. So Maya, you will be back on my channel, and they're gonna want to see your progress. So I will be on her butt about just making sure she is keeping up with her trims and just taking care of her hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys just the back of her hair, and I'm gonna finish flat ironing it, and then you will see the cut in just a few. All right, y'all, so here are her ends. Oh my God, they gotta go. So I am just gonna do a blunt cut right across. You guys, I am not a professional. I don't know how to cut hair, but I can cut hair in a straight line, and that's exactly what I did today. Wherever you see where it's not thick, wherever you see white, exactly where I put my comb, that's where I'm shooting for. I did start a little bit below the little white part, because I knew I was gonna go and trim a little bit more, so I didn't want to shock her too much, even though we ended up cutting from here. We cut another 2, maybe. Actually, Maya, we were just talking, so I'm talking to her too. I think we cut another 3 inches, because like I said, she could barely put it in a ponytail, I think. So a lot of her hair kind of came off, because it was definitely needed. After she washed it, we saw again that it just needed to be cut even more, and that's what we did. So if you are holding on to some hair, if you're holding on to raggedy freaking edges, if your twists out aren't coming out right, if you get your hair pressed or flat ironed and it ain't moving, it's still stiff and stuff, you need to just cut your hair. You don't need a trim. Don't go ask for a trim. Don't trim your hair, just cut it off, and it will come back so much healthier and so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was kind of just pretty basic, but I just like getting my hands in hair. I love getting my hands in my sister's head. So every time I see her, which is not very often, you know me, y'all know I try and do something. Y'all see my sister on my channel every so often. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what else you like to see on my channel. Leave a comment down below if you know you need a haircut and not a trim. And also let me know, how often do you trim your own head, or if you go to someone, how often do you get your trims done? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up in this video. That really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.